Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sunshine Oasis. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly and a non-smoking rooms. Featuring air-conditioned accommodations with a private pool, Sunshine Oasis is located in Orlando. This vacation home has an ATM and free Wi-Fi. The vacation home is equipped with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, bed linen, towels, a TV with cable channels, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a patio with pool views. Disney's Boardwalk is 13 miles from the vacation home, while Disney's Hollywood Studios is 13 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 32 miles from Sunshine Oasis. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.